Hi, my name is Meenal Singhal, and I am the co-owner of A Grade Ahead, and I love to talk about curriculum. So what is unique about a curriculum is its origin, I believe. It was written on a kitchen table with the intent of creating questions for our son, who was then in second grade, with the desire to fill a void that we felt existed in the schools and in the various programs that were available at that time. So in the initial version of the curriculum, Parag and I wrote 100% of the questions. Later, when we realized there was a business potential, we hired qualified teachers to help us with writing the curriculum. And as Parag moved on to other business responsibilities, I stayed intricately connected with the curriculum development, with all aspects of it. From laying down what the curriculum structure would look like for each grade, each subject, to reviewing each word of the material that was being written, to solving each question, to simplifying it, to making it harder, critiquing it, I've done it all. It's been my pride, my joy, and my baby. What sets our curriculum apart is the depth, the variety, and the exhaustiveness of the topics that we cover. While other programs rely upon rote, we work on not only the numerical drills, but also the word problems in math. And in English, we cover the whole range of grammar, vocabulary, comprehension, and writing. On top of it, our lessons are extremely comprehensive. They can be used by the students to self-learn the topics or by the teachers to teach in the classroom. In fact, our material is something our parents rave about, and that's really satisfying. We've developed a curriculum after an extensive research of the various state standards, and I can with confidence say that our curriculum for each grade includes the majority of the topics. And sometimes a lighter preview appears in the previous grade. On top of it, our school year starts in June, which itself gives the student a significant head start. So while the topics may not align week by week with what they are doing in school, chances are that they would have seen the topics in A Grade Ahead prior to them seeing the topics in school.